Okay, so we have turtle speed is 0.1 miles per hour. Now the distance that turtles covers then is 0.1 times t, where t represents hours. But when the rabbit, right, when the rabbit leaves 30 minutes after. So the turtles must have traveled 0.1 times by half, right? That's half an hour. That's 0.05. Okay. So you must have already traveled 0.05 miles. Okay. And the rabbit speed, the distance rabbit covers when he leaves is be 5t. Okay, 5t. So the question is, when do they meet? This is turtle, this is rabbit. When do they meet? Because when they meet, that's the time the rabbit catches up to the turtle. So when does that equal to 5t? So let's subtract both sides by this, and you get 5 minus 0 point is 4.9t. So t is that over that. Now this is an hour, so I'm going to times up by 60 minutes to convert it into minutes. So I get 0.612 minutes. Okay. So actually the question asks for how much should the rabbit run before catching up. So we're actually looking for the distance. So it's 5 times by, I guess, 0.05 over 4.9. So this is in miles, and we want it in feet. So in 1 mile, there's 5,280 feet. So you got times this by 52880 feet. Okay. Feet is 269.4 feet.